So I came into a package today. Want to give a huge shout out to KJ. Thanks for the hookup, bro. This is so sick. So I'm waiting for my Mishimoto package to be coming in the mail, and I didn't order any fans due to the fact that I knew that a fan of the Zebras actually had some. So I got two 12-inch Mishimoto fans from KJ. So again, I just want to give you a huge shout out. Thanks a lot, bro. I'm gonna put his Instagram name right here. Just go ahead, give him a follow. He's currently building his Z, and yeah, so 2 of those bad boys. So super pumped. Thanks again, bro. They're gonna be going on the build ASAP. Sorry for slacking on the footage lately. I've been having a crazy amount of schoolwork, tests, midterms, finals, it's a bunch of crap. Working full time, and it's just been going crazy. So I have been recording here and there, but I'm just trying to make everything compiled together just for you guys, so it makes it a little bit more simple for you guys. But yeah, as of right now, I had to do a little bit of work in the driveway. I had these tarps all bundled up in this corner, so I had to clean all that up and stuff. But earlier today, I was able to find some fenders, so super sick. They are I mean, they're scratched up, whatever, this and that, but they were out of the junkyard. So, but besides that, they're in mint condition. So, super stoked about that. But like I said, besides the scratches and crap, but those will buff out, not really worried about it. And then I gotta paint them anyways, so, but way better than dealing with this freaking turd. So if you see how gouged it is and crap, and like I said, these are all just shot and beat up, so super excited about that. Got those this morning with Mark. And going on from there, we're gonna start actually putting together Brian Broom's knuckle setup. So what I'm gonna do is actually cut to last weekend when I actually started to install them, so check that out here. What's going on, guys? Out here at the house today. I'm pretty stoked. So I got this package in from Brian. So those are my knuckles. So let's open that up and check everything out. Damn, boy. So extended LCAs here. Look at those welds. Brian, this is sick, dude. Woo! So there's one of them. Let's see what else we got here. Here's the other. So stoked about this. So there's number 2. So extended LCAs. Oh, the hookup. Gotta put those bad boys in. I also ordered to go on with these some rack spacers, so I'll show you guys that. I ordered them from Power Tricks. They should be coming actually in today, so I'll be able to put all this in today. And then here's the moment of the hour. So I'm gonna show you guys all this. So I'm gonna take everything out of the box. Alright guys, so basically what I got here is our inner and our outer tie rods. Basically I went with the Moog setup. So Brian fortunately sent me these, and then I just got these at Advance or whatnot. So now the game plan for this is basically I went to powertricks.com, and I got their steering rack angle spacer set. So the set comes with one big spacer and then one small spacer. So I'll take these out of the bag right here. So the one small spacer and then the one big spacer. I actually ordered 2 of these, so I have both of them. I'm just showing you guys just for instance, just for like one side. So typically what some people do is they actually order this for the passenger side only. So you put this connected with that. So this screws into here, this screws into the steering rack, the steering column, and then that connects there, and then that would connect to your knuckle, obviously. If you get one set, then this spacer will actually go on the driver's side on this part here. So when you replace it, you'd put this spacer here on the driver's side. So basically what you would do is, say if you just got one set, then this would go here like that, and then this would connect into the steering rack. The only thing is that then if you do only one side with the big spacer, you'll actually have to move the power steering rack more to the driver's side a little bit just to even it out, to get it centered, because this is so much bigger than that. But since I ordered two, I don't need these little guys, so that's junk. So basically this is how the setup would be. I have blue like Loctite, so basically I'll use the blue Loctite for these two parts. So the actual inner tie rod and the spacer. You don't want to put any Loctite on here that goes actually into the rack. So that's what I'm going to do here, is use that, and then we'll put this here. And then obviously I'll either have to like back this out, or depending on how the angle is going to sit, I'm either going to have to back this bolt out all the way or put it all the way down. So we'll figure it out from there. So basically, I just found out for the lower control arm ball joints for my fronts are shot. So basically what I have to do is I actually have to go all the way to the Wethersfield, Connecticut to go pick up a pair. No one around here has them, so I have to go to O'Reilly's to go pick those up. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think I just heard someone pull in. Oh, he's out here. Matt New Whip. What's up, dude? What's up? Damn. Kid's got some wood. Oh my god. Dude, you're taking out your fender well. You see that?
Yeah, it's all good.
He's like, yeah, it's all good.
It's just this.
Oh, okay.
I cut everything else underneath there out.
Oh, okay. Word. Dang, yeah, we're about to have a rager tonight. Damn, just for you guys, 1K. 1K. He's like, yeah. Alright, let's unload it. Alright.
So, like...
Look at Matt right now. Just don't kill yourself.
There was another one that I learned recently. It was, yeah. But it's like...
Alright, so tell them what we have to do.
Banged it.
You banged it?
Banged it hard.
The ball joints.
This is your ball joint. This is what you're gonna get. This thing sits on over here. I'm not gonna put it back on, but it sits over. This taper sits inside this hole, like that. This comes out the top. You have to take the wrench and put it here, put that on top of a vise, and hit the top until this flies off and goes east sideways. Let's watch our language here.
Behind.
It flies upon.
Cluttered.
Yeah. So be in a confined space. Be in a confined space and hit it as hard as you can. This is gonna fly over yonder. And then you gotta go find it, and you'll be all good. And then you're gonna put it on your new ball joint, put the bolt on, and suck it up back in there and press it back onto your new. This is old, you know. Say I'm holding the new one, and put it back on, and right there, you're good.
Here's this, right? This slips onto here, but you see what I'm saying? It's got to get pressed down, so then I have more threads to actually screw this into the knuckle, because this is the only thing that's coming in through the knuckle, and there's no way that I can get this connected with the cotter pin through, because this is too tall.
So this is the problem. The cone doesn't go far down enough. This is my other control arm. So it doesn't go down far enough. So what you need to do is actually shave that metal flange basically right in there. You're going to have to shave that down with like a metal grinder or something. I know you guys are going to be like, well, why didn't you get ones that fit, this and that? these are supposed to fit. These are the part number that you're supposed to have for these, and for some reason, it's just whatever manufacturer did, they just didn't make them right. So I spent 40 bucks a piece on these, so I'm gonna make these freaking work. So I'll show you exactly what I gotta do. So this is the part you're gonna have to shave down a bit. So this whole flange piece, I didn't make this even, so like how you can see that like little ledge here, I didn't make it that even, but I cut it down to about like where my fingernail is, like here. So it's a little bit more than even, but just so that it could fit, and I did it about like this much, just so you can have enough threads for this to slip on. So I'm gonna start grinding that now. So with the OEM cone and the OEM ball joint, as you can see when you put it on, it slips right down. You have plenty of threads, whatnot. So now, since I shaved this down, obviously it's not the best job, but I put it on and it slips all the way down. Boom. So enough threads, good to go. Now we're gonna go put it on the car. Alright guys, so the moment at last, I got my lower control arms in, they're extended, and then what I did here is I put the new inners in, also with the Power Tricks rack spacer. Alright guys, so basically I have everything together, so all you have to do is put this bolt on, back for the hub, connected to there, then we do our lower, connected through the bottom here, and this is where Brian did that modification, cutting off this eye hole, and then actually tapping in and welding this piece here. So that's that for that tie rod. There's the extended lower control arm. It's got reinforced there. So basically sitting here, so that's dead center, I'm gonna put on a wheel. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how far in and how far out we get with this setup. Alright guys, so this is what we got here. So basically wheel straight, going inward. And then wheel coming outward. So, if you guys can see, this is basically just like a regular normal Z of how it turns in. Freddie! Of how it turns in. That's going inward. And that's how far it comes out of the fender. So that's insane. So this is the fender line, this is the wheel. This is the fender line, and that's the wheel. So that's insane. But yeah, going on from there, it's crazy. Freddie's pumped, I'm pumped. But yeah, so that's about it. I just want to thank you guys also again, just helping us out. Yeah, I mean, I've been talking to a few people, and they're super stoked with everything that's going on, so we're excited about that. So going on from that, all that jazz going on, hopefully I'll be able to get like a nice day off, or leave Friday early next week so I can come home, try to finish this up for the next event. But going on from that, the Godspeed Project Mono RS coilovers are nasty. So they're definitely settled down now, because I know that when I'm actually like touch it, like when I'm like steering or whatever, I rub a little bit on the like fender liner. But I mean, the fronts look good. I like how they're at. I'm leaving them. The back still got to come down a little bit, like I told you guys before, but they're super smooth. I'm super pumped. Thank you, Godspeed, one more time. Awesome. But going on from there, I'm super pumped for the season coming up. The guys killed it at Lock City, so good for you guys. But going on from there, thank you to our sponsors. We appreciate all the help, and also you guys are dope. Thanks. Keep watching, keep liking the videos, share them, you know what I mean? And then going on from there, guys, keep commenting. I mean, I'm trying to get footage. Like I said, I've been crazy busy. I'm sorry for that, but I mean, let me know what you guys want to see. I'll try to do it. If I can afford it, I'll try to do it. I'll try to do whatever I possibly can. So, but you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.